I will explain you the process of nitrogen cycle. Before that, it is very important to understand nitrogen fixation. What is actually nitrogen fixation? These two words explain itself the term nitrogen fixation. In this, actually, the nitrogen from the atmosphere get fixed into the root nodules or few leguminous plants, ठीक है, simply by or with the help of microbe, that is bacteria, and that nitrogen is utilized by plant for making the plant protein. Right, now I will explain this the whole simply by explaining you the nitrogen cycle. It's very important to understand the meaning of nitrogen cycle. It is a cyclic process of nitrogen being fixed, used by plants, okay, and by animals, okay. Then later it is returned to the atmosphere, is known as nitrogen cycle. Simple way, atmospheric nitrogen is first fixed, utilized by plants, and these plants are then consumed by animals, and then this is again returned to the atmosphere. This cycle is known as nitrogen cycle. Now I'm going to explain you the whole nitrogen cycle. In the atmosphere, actually nitrogen is present in 78%, right? So this nitrogen is not directly utilized by plants or animals, right? So very important to know how this nitrogen is useful, because this nitrogen is useful for the living being to make the proteins, right, nucleic acids, vitamins, and so on. So as I have explained that it is not utilized directly, right? So what happened from the atmosphere with the help of lightning or few nitrogen fixing bacteria, actually they fix it in the atmosphere, right? And these bacteria in turn, then nitrogen after fixation forms the nitrogen compounds. These compounds are then goes where in the soil, which is very simple and soluble form. Then it is utilized by the plants. Then plants are eaten by animals, right, and make a animal protein. I'll just explain the topic. In the atmosphere, 78% of nitrogen is present, right? The conversion of nitrogen into nitrate is known as nitrogen fixation. Then after that, right, when the nitrogen get fixed, the herbivorous animals, this nitrogen is utilized by the plants, right, and makes a plant protein, and then this plant protein is consumed by herbivorous animals, right? There they make this plant protein then turn to animal protein, and these few herbivores are then eaten by whom? By carnivores, and in this way synthesis of animal protein takes place. After that, animals excretes waste, right, in the form of urea as well as uric acid, right? And it is in the nature, the truth is that everyone dies, right? So plants and animal both die, right? After that, what happened? The protein which is present in them then converted into ammonia compound, okay. Then with the help of few bacteria again or fungi, they then form the mixes into the atmosphere and form the process of ammonification. When with the help of ammonification, process of ammonification, few ammonia salts are formed in the soil, okay. Then this ammonium salt is then converted into nitrites by Nitrosomonas bacteria, and then nitrites are then converted into nitrates by Nitrobacter. So Nitrosomonas bacteria as well as Nitrobacter are responsible to convert ammonia salt into nitrites, then to nitrates, okay. After that, these nitrates are formed in the soil, and once again absorbed by what? By the plants, and this process is known as nitrification. After that, few bacteria like Pseudomonas, right, then what it does, it escape from the atmosphere, and the conversion of nitrate. It helps in the conversion of nitrates into free nitrogen gas, right? Pseudomonas bacteria helps in conversion of nitrate into free nitrogen gas, and this process is known as denitrification. After that, nitrogen goes back into the atmosphere. So what we have learnt that from the atmosphere, the nitrogen comes in the from the atmosphere, it get fixed by few bacteria, right? It mixes into the soil, then it is absorbed by plants, the plants are absorbed by animals, animal releases harmful substances like uric acid, right? They both die also. Then from them the formation of ammonia salt is actually occurred where? In the soil, and from the ammonia soil then again the formation of nitrates, and from the nitrate the free nitrogen by the process of denitrification occurs, and nitrogen goes back where? Into the atmosphere. So what we find? We find there the rotation of nitrogen, right? Utilize and then release, utilize and then release. So this process is known as nitrogen cycle.